Hello everyone, I'm Michael R. Roberts, and I'd like to welcome you to a powerful new update of Kaching. We have just released version 0.50, which has completely revolutionized how you're going to use the tool. Kaching is going to be a lot more powerful, you're going to get to use it a lot more, and ultimately, it's going to become almost invisible. The time you're going to take to use the tool is going to go way, way down. It's going to be more effective. I'm really excited to show you what we've done with this update. Let's hop over to a screen recording where I'm going to illustrate some of the new features we've introduced in this free upgrade of Kaching. Before you update the Kaching software, or right after you update the Kaching software, I'd like you to go over to right-click the icon, go to Options, and enable the check mark Open at Login. You're going to want Kaching to automatically boot up and run when you turn on your computer. Very simple to do on a Mac. Just right-click, go to Options, click Open at Login. For Windows users, I'm going to have a video on this page to show you how to do that. It's very important that you're going to want Kaching to run on your computer all the time now. Now, once you have that option selected, go ahead and launch Kaching. You're going to notice a change right away. You no longer have to sign in. It automatically signed me in right from the beginning. This way I don't have to click username, password, click the sign in button. And you can enable that if you go to Settings, PK Account Settings, and click this little box here, Auto Login at Startup. Now, these are some small changes, but these small changes, coupled with a couple other big changes, make a huge difference. Let me show you another change that we've made. I'm going to minimize the software, and you can see the software is actually still running, and Kaching now has the ability to run in your system tray. So it's using extremely low amounts of bandwidth, extremely small amounts of your computer's processing power, but the software is now able to act like it's running all the time. So the most important part here is Kaching can run behind the scenes and listen to the Kaching server. Now, some of you might know where I'm going with this, and this is extremely powerful. So here's the next update we have made with the software. We have developed our first ever WordPress plugin, and you can actually download your WordPress plugin right here by clicking this download link under your stats box. Once you click that, it takes just a second. It's already downloaded. I can close these windows. And now I have a Kaching WordPress plugin I can install on all my WordPress sites. Okay, I'm going to hop over to a slideshow so I can really illustrate for you guys the power that this offers you and some of the benefits you're going to get. Here you are. And you might use a smartphone, iPad, or any number of devices to update your website. In fact, you might even use a Postgres account to add new pages to your WordPress website. Once you create a new WordPress page, there's going to be a 15-minute delay before anything happens. This is to make sure that you really wanted to add that page to your website, or to make sure you don't have any changes or updates you need to do to your new page. After 15 minutes after you've added your new web page, our Kaching plugin automatically sends that page right over to the Kaching software. Now, as I showed you earlier, Kaching can run in your system tray. So Kaching is quietly running behind the scenes, and once it hears you have a new web page up, it automatically takes that web page and submits it to the top social networks and social bookmarking sites such as Facebook, Twitter, Dig, StumbleUpon, and so many more. This plugin makes Kaching completely hands-free. You don't have to enter in titles, descriptions, you don't have to wait for submissions, you don't have to do any of that. The software will automatically run in the background without you even needing to see what is going on. It truly takes away all of the work. Just update your website and know that it's going to be indexed quickly. Know that authority is going to be driven. Know that the social networks and all your followers will be let know about your new web page. And build some backlinks for that web page as well. But this isn't all we've done in this update. Let me jump back over to a screen recording where I'll show you a few other new cool features we've added in this powerful update. Lastly, we have a few more features we've added to this powerful update. Let's say you're surfing the web and you want to quickly update your social networks. Simply right-click the Kaching icon, go to Social Status Updater, type in a message, and you can even paste in a URL if you like. Click the next arrow, and then click Submit. And just like that, you've updated all of your social networks: Twitter, Facebook, Tumblr, Identica, and more. Rather than having to visit each site independently, you can just update it in one location, and Kaching will distribute that to all the popular social networks out there. It makes updating your followers extremely simple. Additionally, you can right-click the Kaching icon and get a URL shortener. You can paste in a URL, click Create, and just like that, you have a shortened down URL. Both of these features have been added to the Kaching icon. Simply by right-clicking the icon, you can access either one of these new features. These features have greatly increased the ability to connect with your social networks, which is what Kaching helps you do. These updates, all brought together, make this version of Kaching 0.50 our most powerful update we have ever done. Once you've installed the WordPress plugin, it's going to become a completely hands-free software. You're not going to have to use the software on a daily basis for your blog posts. You're still going to want to use the software for other URLs off your website, such as if you build backlinks at Ezine Articles, Squidoo, or sites like that. You're still going to want to plug those into Kaching. And future updates will be working on coming up with automated solutions for all of the sites you visit. I hope you give this version of Kaching a try. We're also going to be uploading an entire page on training just for this WordPress plugin, so you guys can see all the details of how to install it, how to use it, how it works, the time delays, things like that. So I encourage you to find the link underneath this video for the training if you need some more in-depth how-tos of installing the plugin. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this powerful new free update to all of our users, and I look forward to another month or two when we have another powerful update that we release. Thank you very much.